Hey, I'm Kay with Woodshop, and today we're going to make this speaker bar frame. This is made from walnut and cherry. It is a very easy project that you could get done in a day. It's done in a retro style, so let's check it out.
Check it out.
Welcome to Woodshop. Really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug. Be your dead bird. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. Okay, I've got this exquisite piece of walnut. The first order of business would be probably, I'm going to think, dealing with the length of the project. But we were both drinking last night, didn't want to look for his tape measure, so I just took this soda box and spread it open and made like a kind of like a template. Try to get my sizes right, so let's do some sizing stuff. Okay, this is the length of this speaker. What I want to do is get it about up to this edge, but not all the way because we do want some wiggle room for it. Kind of mark some extra space all the way at the end. Take a fucking speed square and actually mark that line. Cut the son of a bitch to length. Got that left over for the sides. Just gonna shave off the rough edge of the walnut. I'm just going to rip the walnut board right down the middle. My drunken height measurement, just dropping that in there, imagining the speaker set in place and giving it a little bit of distance on top, so that way when we go to put it in here, it's not going to jam up and it's going to fit. And I'm just going to mark a line there. Ka-ching! I don't know why, but for some reason I have the Jurassic Park theme stuck in my head. I'm about ready to attach the sides, and let me show you the little nifty trick I came up with how I'm going to do this. And I'm going to glue them on, but I don't feel like waiting for glue to dry, so I'm also going to screw them, but I don't want any screws to be seen, so why is Jurassic Park stuck in my head? I haven't even watched it. There's the hole pre-drilled. Another bit. This is a Forster bit that is the same size as this dowel, and I'm just gonna go in a little bit. And go through your original pilot hole. I put a dowel in there, cut that dowel flush, and you'll never know that that screw is there. So that, in a sense, that is how I'm gonna attach this whole frame. I have no idea what I'm doing. 22.5 degrees. I've got some lines drawn at 4.5 inches in, and this is just end grain on a very small piece, so I don't want to just glue it on. I've got this very skinny dowel, and I'm going to drill a hole in the top of the legs, a hole in this, so I could use some dowels to join those together. You see how that's going to work. So I'm going to squish a little bit of glue on the legs. Those dowels are really going to help secure everything together. I'm gonna leave it like this for a while, let the glue dry. Drink your damn water when you're in the shop because it's hot. Don't need heat stroke or heat exhaustion or shut up! And I'm gonna finish it with the lovely, the beautiful, the Danish oil. Man, I love Danish oil. Do you love Danish oil? And with that Danish oil on there, this project is done. So there's really nothing left for me to do but take this over to the boys' house and see if my drunken measurements actually work and if that speaker bar actually fits in there. So I guess we could go do that if you want. Here's the finished product and done in the retro style. This is amazing. Look at how well that fits with my drunken measurements. What do you think about that, boy?
It's nice. I think you know how to work a cardboard box better than you do a tape measure, honestly.
Hey, there's screws in this project, Adam. You know
Where?
where the screws are?
Are they there? Right there?
The screws? No.
No? Are they under the dowel caps?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Adam figured out the trick. There's oak in there too. You know where the oak is at?
No.
Nah, he doesn't know where the. I have little skinny oak dowels that are how the legs are attached. That's it for this project. If you enjoyed this video and you like this project, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, I have new woodworking projects every single Friday, so you can subscribe to the channel and click the little notification bell and you'll be updated every time a new video is out. Thank you very much for watching. Me and the boy will see you next time.